Pants. I have a lot of pants. For a long time I used these hangers to kind of layer them and put them in my closet, but it was really hard to keep them organized by size. I really noticed this when I started to gain weight and my size started to fluctuate, that using these hangers really was not working for me. Since they all kind of hang over on each other, your fluctuating sizes, it's a lot easier to find them on the shelf when they're all just kind of stacked up nicely, like this. I wanted something simple and sturdy to separate my pants, so I went to Home Depot and I got these sticks. This is my little note for myself for the size. Now these are the extra long ones. I got both the extra long and the shorter ones only because I really wasn't sure what size was going to fit inside my shelf, and it turns out the shorter ones work. But I picked up these from Home Depot. They're in the paint section and they're free. What I did this morning is I spray painted them this satin lagoon color from Rust-Oleum. Rust-Oleum makes, in my opinion, the best spray paint for whatever accessory you want to make into your little pop of color for your room. I got this lagoon in a satin tone from Rust-Oleum and painted those. So we got everything set up here. Got our paint, got our Sharpie for later, all of our sticks, both sizes, small, big, my little notes. Got just a mask, my glasses, I love my work glasses, and some gloves. All right, let's get started. Now we're just gonna let that dry. Flip them over. Probably do another coat before I flip them over. All right. And then I'm then going to put the size on the outside of the handle once they're dry. After you spray paint anything, I highly recommend to leave it outside or leave it in your garage or leave it away from your house or inside of your house, because it's gonna stink. It's gonna stink really bad. So just let it air out for a day or two outside. So this is what they look like all done. I'll be able to pull them out and push them in. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that I made a couple of separator sticks for my pants. I guess that's what we're gonna call them. And it was as simple as going to Home Depot, picking up some paint sticks for free and spray painting them and then writing on the edge of them what sizes my pants are. And it's going to help me a lot because I fluctuate even throughout the month, if you know what I mean. So it's just a lot easier, and to be able to go to my closet and pull from the size that I would like to have instead of digging through. Still going to keep these hangers because I'm hopefully going to be one size again and not fluctuating like this. So I'm going to keep these, but I'm also going to link to them down below on Amazon, these little pant hangers. They work really well. They come out like this. See, and then you put the pants on and you hang them over. But they all will layer on top of each other. So let me know what you think below. I'm Heather. Thank you so much for subscribing. Bye!